In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing call history between your iPhones. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, tap right here at the top at your name to go to your Apple ID settings and then hit iCloud. Now, guys, we need to tap right here at Show All to expand that list, and here first off we need to turn off the toggle next to Contacts. Now here we just need to tap at that button and select Keep on my iPhone. After that, go to iCloud Drive right here and then stop syncing this iPhone by tapping at this toggle. Once it is done, go back to Settings, then get into General, tap at AirPlay and Handoff, and then make sure it is turned off. That's how you can easily stop sharing call history between iPhones, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.